Hello, welcome to my garage. Today we're going to try to fix the speed sensor of my mountain bike. It has an empty battery, but Polar says you can't change the battery, you just have to buy a new sensor. A new sensor is about 50 euros, so let's give it a try to fix it. That will be a lot cheaper and a lot better for the environment. If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. I'm trying to open it over this seam and I will pry it open. That was not even that hard. I think this is the magnetic sensor. Battery is glued in place. Point. I switched it. 0.126 of a volt. That's empty. New battery. .3 volts. So it should be good. It was held in place with a little bit of glue. Clicks in place. A magnet. No LEDs or something like that. But I have the and you can see it's okay, so the sensor is working again. So now you can see the LED. Now let's put some glue on it. A little bit of fast glue. Well, it's back together. You can see it flash. The bicycle computer also recognized it, so I think it will work fine again. So that was a battery swap for about €5 instead of buying a new sensor and wasting the old one for 50. So let's put it back on the bike and then we can go cycling again with the right speed on my computer. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.